हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। उम्मीद है आप सभी ठीक से होंगे। नेचुरल साउंड्स दैट कैन हेल्प यू रेगुलेट योर इमोशंस। ओशन वेव्स, calming, soothing, reduces stress and anxiety. Birds, uplifting, inspiring, relieves depression and boosts mood. Rain, calming, centering, aids overcome feelings of overwhelm and insomnia. Forest, grounding, rejuvenating, helps relieve stress and restore balance. River, refreshing, cleansing, aids emotional release and clarity. Wind chimes, soothing, meditative, facilitated concentration and meditation. Crackling fire, comforting, warming, helps reduce loneliness and sadness. Thank you so much. God bless all.